Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the sound. Let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down, tap on advanced, and as you can see right here we've got the whole section which is connected to the ringtone. We can change it for incoming ringtone, the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the incoming ringtone. It will work the same with the notifications and the alarms also. So as you can see, after tapping on it, the whole list of defaultly installed ringtones will appear. At the very top of it we've got the option none, as you can see, and after picking it, your device simply will not notify you about the incoming, let's say, ringtone using the sound feedback. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list we've got the add ringtone option, and basically you will be able to pick something from your own file. So for example, if you will have something downloaded, and of course if it will be compatible, it will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and basically if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me volume it down a little bit. So that's how it works. Of course you can check all of them, as for example this one, and if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked. No, that's not the option. The option which you would like to use is marked, like in my case that hard drive, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.